Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What does Section 3 of the Limitation Act 1963 deal with? Bar of limitation, extension of limitation period, jurisdiction of courts, or limitation for filing appeals. The correct answer is option A. Recently, in the R. Nagaraj through legal representative versus Rajmani and others case, the Supreme Court held that the court can dismiss a suit as time barred even when specific issue regarding limitation is not framed. Section 3 of Limitation Act provides for bar of limitation. Next, what does Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 deal with? Appointment of arbitrators, setting aside of arbitral awards, enforcement of arbitral awards, or arbitration procedure. The correct answer is option B. Recently, in the National Highway Authority of India versus Jagrup Singh and others case, the Himachal Pradesh High Court held that Section 5 of the Limitation Act does not apply to Section 34 petitions under the Arbitration Act and delay beyond the prescribed period cannot be condoned. Section 34 of the Arbitration Act 1996 deals with applications for setting aside arbitral awards. Next, the rule of law ensures that no one is above the law, including politicians, government officials, judges, all of the above. The correct answer is option D. The rule of law is a fundamental legal principle derived from the French phrase le principe de legate, establishing that no one, including government officials, is above the law. Key constitutional provisions embodying the rule of law include Article 13, enabling review of laws contrary to the Constitution, and Article 14, guaranteeing equality before law. Next, dying declarations are an exception to which legal rule? Rule of evidence, direct evidence rule, criminal evidence rule, or Hershey rule. The correct answer is option D. The doctrine of dying declaration is based on the Latin maxim nemo moriturus presumitur mentire. A person will not meet their maker with a lie in their mouth. The principle assumes that a person facing imminent death is unlikely to lie, making such statements uniquely trustworthy. Dying declarations are an important exception to the Hershey rule under Section 32(1) of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Now, under new criminal law, it is covered under Section 26(1) of Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023. Next, in which of the following section of the Civil Procedure Code the arrest or detention for money is prohibited? Section 55, Section 56, Section 57, or Section 58? The correct answer is option B. As for the Section 56 of the Code of Civil Procedure, notwithstanding anything in this part, the court shall not order the arrest or detention in the civil prison of a woman in execution of a decree for the payment of money. Now it's time for the practice question. Where no application is made and no time is specified for performance of promise, then the agreement be performed within 1 year, reasonable time, 2 years, or 3 years. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.